Okay, this is a 2015 VF GTS Supercharged. The clients come in, complain about hard starting issue and an engine light. Diagnostic scan test revealed camshaft position sensor fault. Our testing confirmed that there's no reading actually coming from the camshaft sensor. Our advice is to the customer to replace the camshaft sensor, including the crankshaft sensor, as a pair, as they're both aged at the same time. Having one replaced and not the other may cause a problem in the near future. Now we're in the process of replacing the camshaft sensor, then we'll be going to the crankshaft sensor and clear the faults.